Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, today we are going to discuss about a new lesson, that is magic seed. Do you like magic? Okay. Now see here, some pictures are there. So here in the picture 1, you can see that one girl is planting, right? The next one, she is watering the seed. She has planted the seed and then she is pouring water over it. Then here, the sunlight is falling on that. Small sprout came from the seed. Then it become little bigger. Then it become very big. Now guess the meanings of these words from these sentences. Planted. I planted a seed and it grew. Now planted means what? Putting it in soil to sprout. Almost at once. The deer went out of sight almost at once. Means suddenly. Sprouted. The plant sprouted little leaves. That means coming out of the seed. Okay. The leaves coming out of the seed is called as sprouted. Become. I want to become a pilot when I grow up. That means to be. Next one, special. This is special. We do not get it easily. Right? So these are the new words of this poem about which we are going to discuss. Now here, see, a girl is there and the girl is telling that I found a tiny little seed. Tiny means very small. Okay. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Okay. She got a little seed and she planted it outside the house. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. Okay. Almost at once means what? Suddenly it started to grow up tall and wide. It sprouted leaves. That means the leaves came out from the seed from everywhere and soon become quite big. Okay, and soon the little sprouted leaves become bigger and bigger and the seed and the plant become quite big. I'm not sure what it is yet. Apples, peas or figs. So she don't know that whether the seed is of apple seed or peas or fig. She don't know that. So without knowing, she planted the seed. Now no matter what it is. So the girl is thinking that yes, no matter what it is, let it be an apple tree or peas or anything. I know that it will be my own special because why? I have planted, right? The girl has planted, so it is going to be her own special. Something or the other tree. She don't know whether it is going to be an apple tree or peas or figs or orange. She don't know about that. But she knows that it is going to be special. Why? Because she has planted it with her own hands. Okay. So here you can see she has planted the seed here. Did you like the poem, children? Now fig means a fruit with purple or green skin and a lot of small seeds inside. The seeds we can eat, okay? So this is about the poem Magic Seed. Now coming to the reading comprehension, I'll send you, you do that. And here in the vocabulary, look at the pictures. Okay, you have to look at the picture. Choose the words and write them in the correct box. That means here, what is this? Yes, you can see this. What is this? This is fence. So here the words, the spellings are given. You have to pick the word from this and you have to write here in the box. What is this? Beauty, bird. Here it is. Yes, bird. Rose. Horse, H-O-S-E, horse. That means this one from which the water is coming. Okay, this is grass. So you have to write the words here in this picture. Now, already you know about action words. Action words are what? Yes, the action we do. For example, brushing, dancing, singing or dance, that all are called as your action words or verbs, right? But children, you have to remember that the action words have different forms. For example, start, started, starting. So here some words are there. You have to match the forms. Find, found, finding. So the same find word, but this is having different forms. Plant, planted, planting. So just here ed is added to make a new form, and here ing is added. Start, started, starting. Sprout, sprouted, sprouting. Turn, turned, turning. So you have to match this. And children, already you know about the singular and plurals. Yes, apple, apples, fig, figs, rat, rats. So this also you have to learn. Okay. So you have to look at the picture and you have to count. Okay. So you have to write how many animals are there, how many rabbits are there. You have to count from this picture and you have to write here. How many lions are there, how many tortoises are there, how many snakes are there. You have to write in this place. Okay. Now in punctuation, what we have learnt is the sentence should start with capital letter and it should end with a full stop or a question mark, right? And another thing here you will learn is about comma. Here in this poem you can see, here comma is used. Apples, peas or figs. That means when you don't know and many options are there, you have to put comma. And for the last one before that you can use or and. Okay. For example, you can see here bread, butter and jam. So comma is used here, right? Spoon, knife and fork. So here also comma is here. But here and. For the last one you have to use and. For all others you can use comma. So here you can see pencil, eraser, ruler and sharpener. For the last one and is used, right? So similarly you have to put commas in these sentences correctly. I am bringing biscuits, comma, chocolates and a cake. So here you have to put comma. Here she is good at dancing, comma, singing and painting. So you have to complete this, children. Okay. And here one small birthday card is there. Your friend gave you a plant on your birthday. Write a thank you note to him. If possible, once you read this. Okay.